manufacture of electrically operated movable partition walls and various automatic doors in China. We have been focused on offering complete and customized solution of movable wall system and entrance door system. A wide product line is developed during many years' industry experience and through absorbing mature design concepts from worldwide developed market to meet specific needs. As a high-tech enterprise which integrating R&D, manufacturing, sales and service in one. Our manufacturing area covers an area of 8,000 square meters. We have complete technology and personnel configuration. Our products received ISO 9001-2015 and ISO 14001-2015 International Quality System Authentication and CE certification. With the strictly control for design, production, inspection, and services by our advanced quality management system. Successfully establish a strategic cooperative partnership with real estate enterprises and leading luxury hotels like Atlantis, Hilton, Marriott Hotel, etc. Our main product line includes electrically operated acoustic vertical retractable wall system, electrically operated vertical retractable glass wall system, automatic sliding partition walls, motorized vertical folding doors, automatic revolving doors, sliding doors. Because movable partition walls are customized products, each place has different sizes. We make steel-framed operable walls and movable partitions of a variety of materials depending on the application for sound transmission, durability, aesthetics, cost, and function. We listen to your goals, understand your needs, provide one-on-one private custom services, make recommendations according to your actual situation, provide professional design to coordinate building codes, structural and electrical requirements. We will place our best service to realize your design requirements perfectly.